Hello friends, let's assemble the insects from the puzzle, and for that we need to put the pieces back at their right places. Wow, look at this. This is a dragonfly. Let's find its pieces. Not this one. Yes, this one. This is the face and the body of a dragonfly. Let's put it here. Very nice. Now let's find its wings. Wow, we have found two left wings of a dragonfly. Let's put it here. Now let's find its right wings. Can you see something like that? Yes, we have found a piece with two right wings. Let's put it here. Wow, we got the dragonfly. Now let's do the honeybee. Let's find its face. Here it is. This is the face of our honeybee and it goes right here. And now let's find its body. Wow, we got it. Let's put it here. And now let's look for the wings. Can you see them? Yes, we got the wings. Put it here. And see, our honeybee is done now. Next we are going to assemble the butterfly. Let's find its pieces. And look, we have found the face and the body of our butterfly. Let's put it here. Now let's go and find its wings. Look, we have found two left wings of a butterfly. Put it here. Now let's find the last piece with two right wings, and it is here. Two right wings of a butterfly. Put it here. Wow, we have completed our butterfly. Let's go and quickly make the ladybug together. First, let's find its face. Here it is. Let's put it here. Next we have to find its right wing. Put it here. Now we need to find the last piece of the puzzle. And this is the left wing of a ladybug. Let's put it here. Wow guys, we have made the ladybug. And see, we have found all of our insects. Yay! Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.